Good day, sir. I am Michelle CELMAR, a midwifery two student. Today I'm going to answer the following questions. First question, is the Philippines today, 2020-2022, lagging behind Asian countries in science and mathematics? December 9, 2020, Philippine students lag behind the countries in the International Assessment for Mathematics and Science for Grade 4. The trends in international mathematics and science. A lawmaker is blaming the K-12 program of the Education Department, specifically its supposed curriculum congestion and incohesive teaching method, for the low ranking of Filipino students in global assessment of mathematics and science proficiency. In mathematics, only 19% of Filipino students were on the low benchmark, which means that they had some basic mathematical knowledge, while 81% did not even reach in their level. The Department of Education, or DepEd, announced that the Philippines will join the 2022 PISA, where it aims to improve on its dismal past performance. Second question, why is science education not being given much importance in schools and by government? The main factors that account for the low performances in science of that Filipino students include the lack of support of government for a scientific culture, reflected in the deficiencies regarding the school curriculum, the inadequate teaching learning process, the insufficient materials, and lack of teacher training. Third question, what is Project NOAA and DREAM programs of our government? The Project NOAA with portal provides critical information for disaster prevention based on near real-time weather data, flood and landslide hazard maps, storm surge inundation maps, and the identification of local critical facilities. DREAM, or Disaster Risk and Exposure Assessment for Mitigation, a program which has generated detailed flood hazard maps for the 18 major rivers, basins of the country using light detection and ranging of LIDAR. It is like mapping flood-prone areas using light. Fourth question, why do many Filipino scientists practice their profession abroad than in the Philippines? The Filipino scientists prioritize more the opportunities they can get more from abroad because of the latest equipments and instruments that they can use to develop their studies. Of course, close to that is the higher pay they can derive from their employment abroad. In the Philippines, most legislators do not give a commensurate for research. Fifth question, compare science and technology in developing and developed countries along science and technology skills. A developed country, not necessarily a rich one, has gone some time in its past history through the cycle. Improvements to its population, level of education, progress in and application of science and technology, deployment of each own and others' natural resources, wealth generation through manufacture or services, improvement to infrastructure of education, industry, energy supply, service, and communication, leading to competitivity and productivity, better social conditions, and higher standard of living. A. Science and technology skills. In science and technology have made it easier for people to communicate with other people across the world. Scientific and technological skills and attitude demonstrate appropriate inquiry, problem solving, and decision making skills and attitudes for exploring scientific and or technological issues and problems. Letter B. Materials and equipment. The Philippines also ranks low in terms of technological capacities regarding to the type of basic technologies composed of material technology, equipment technology, energy technology, information technology, life technology, and management technology. Letter D. Budgetary allocation and financial assistance. ACS advocates that the federal science and technology budget increases federal funding of R&D to a level that places the U.S. at a global forefront. The funding should include provision for first, fundamental and discovery-based research, applied research program to bridge discovery and development, and technological transfer program. In ACS advocates of a federal budget process uses small
the year appropriations with rolling long-term investment to enable increased predictability and stability, support an excellent diverse dynamics. STEM workforce at the national, state, and local with attention to groups that are underrepresented in STEM, strengthening programs such as the National Science Education or the NSF, training scientists and engineers with deep knowledge and interdisciplinary and collaborative skills, and providing education to ensure the STEM workforce meets rapidly evolving needs and opportunities. Letter E. Training activities. Technology provides students with easy to access information, accelerated training learnings, and fun opportunities to practice what they learn. These include such as activities, research and development or R&D, scientific and technical education and training or STAT, and scientific and technological service or STS. It enables students to explore new subjects and deepen their understanding of difficult concepts, particularly in STEM. That's all. Thank you.